Billy Long. I represent the 7th District of Missouri, Springfield, Joplin, Branson area, southwest part of Missouri. Of the 435 congressional districts in the country, I represent the #1 district, in my opinion anyway. But you know, New York City doesn't get 80% of their power from coal. San Francisco does not get over 85% of their power from coal. Missouri, guess what? Gets over 80% of our power from coal. If you don't remember anything else that you heard here today, remember this: Dr. Lawrence Tribe, not ever known as a rock-ribbed Republican, but he is known as a brilliant constitutional professor at Harvard. He represented Al Gore versus George Bush in front of the Supreme Court, argued that case. He wasn't a rock-ribbed Republican then, he's not a rock-ribbed Republican now, but he is a brilliant constitutional professor. He sat at our committee hearing at the table with the folks from the EPA, and he looked at him and he said, what you all are doing is absolutely unconstitutional. Now that comes from Dr. Larry Tribe, so remember that. One other real quick thing: the North American Electric Reliability Corporation president and CEO told me on May the 19th at the Energy and Power hearing that the deadlines for states to meet standards must be slowed to minimize negative impact on grid reliability. That's pretty serious. He questions whether coal alternatives such as natural gas would be there every day in the cold days of winter. That's why I'm supporting and voting for this bill. Thank you, Mr.